Hi everyone, welcome back to Skill to Earn. Today we'll see a short video on how to manage Facebook page access. Facebook page means your business page. Okay, it is different than your personal profile. Why should you have a business page? If you have business and if you want to run paid advertisements, then Facebook page is the only option. Only for the posts created on the business page you can boost or you can run paid campaigns. That is why this page is important. Now you can provide access of this page to someone else provided that person is in your friend list. Okay, so that person must be in your friend list, then only you can provide the access. We will see the steps how to provide that. Once access is provided, that person will receive a notification on Facebook and should accept the access. That is how it works. So let's see the steps. So this is how the page looks like. Okay, this is my own page, Learn and Earn, Skill to Earn channel. Okay, now on this page, when you open this business page, on the left hand side you will see a menu, right? Within that menu, scroll down and go to settings. So once you click on settings, this settings and privacy, this long sub menu will appear on the right side. In that menu, keep scrolling down and click on page setup. Okay, once you click on page setup, another sub menu will appear for page setup. Within that page setup, select page access. Once you select page access, click on that. Once you are in the page access menu, there are two options. There are two ways in which you can give page access to somebody. One is Facebook access and one is task access. Okay, so what is Facebook access? Facebook access means that person will be able to go directly on your Facebook page and either do a post or delete something or edit something or run an ad. All of that he will be able to do directly on your Facebook page. If you select that option, this pop-up will appear so that it is a warning that you are giving somebody directly access to your page. Once you click on next, select the name of the person and give access, that person will get access on your Facebook page. If you select the task access, this pop-up will appear. The task access means they will not be able to directly work on your page. Instead, they will have to use some other tool which is indirect access. For example, Meta Business Suite. They will have to use this tool, okay, and then manage the access on your page. That means somebody who is doing digital marketing for you do not need complete access of your page, but what that person needs is probably just to do a post and run a paid campaign. So only that access you can provide. So this is how it works on laptop. Now suppose you want to do all these steps on mobile phone, then on mobile phone you open your page, okay, click on three lines, that is menu, and go to the settings and privacy, similar to laptop or desktop. Then open settings, open page setup, go to page access, select add new for people with task access, click on the next button, search name of the person whom you want to give access, enable required access from the given list, that is the name of the people will appear once you start typing in, select that person, click on give access, enter your Facebook password and confirm. Then that person will receive a notification and should accept that request, and then he or she will be able to manage specific tasks, or the way you have given them access they will be able to manage your page. Now why I have created this small video? Because if I myself search on Google on how to give Facebook access, there are multiple steps and multiple videos, but they are not matching with the current steps. So if you are watching this video in 2026, I have given the exact steps which are applicable today. As usual, this is a copyright content. Of course, the contents are for Facebook page, so I have collected it from Facebook's admin support or Facebook's help only. Okay, but without my permission, you should not be using it somewhere else. I have given my email ID also if you want to contact me. And there is a series of videos including different skills, different ways to earn on this channel. So if you have still not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you will not miss such important updates and training videos. Thank you very much for all the subscriptions and you watching these videos.